Does your song sound like this? It sounds like something's off, like the parts are playing at different tempos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's jump right in. So first, I'm going to click this toggle region stretch mode. This allows you to stretch audio without changing the pitch. So let's drag this back to the end of bar 4, and let's hit play again, see if it's better. Yeah, now the drums and keys are playing at the same tempo. Let's mute this, drag in a new sample, and try again. So it sounds like the cello loop is playing too fast. So this button, this toggle region stretch mode, is still on. Let's drag this to the end of bar 8 and listen from the start. Hope this helps with aligning your samples in your project. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.